How to delete your Instagram account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Besnith, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily delete your Instagram account. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to delete your account now after the latest update, simply open up your account and head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once on your profile, you want to simply tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and here now next what you can do is simply tap on account center. Once under account center, you can simply scroll down and you can see the option under account settings that says password and security, personal details, and your information and permissions. So simply tap on the option that says personal details here, then tap on account ownership and control, then tap on deactivation or deletion, then select your account or tap the particular account that you wish to delete, and then select the delete account option. Make sure that the blue tick or the blue circle is on the delete account option if you want to delete your account. Then tap on continue. It should ask you for confirmation or password. Enter it in and you should be good to go. This is how you can easily delete your Instagram account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.